What does it take to make the 787 Dreamliner great? It takes engineers. It takes mechanics. It takes suppliers. It takes pilots. It takes cabin and ground crews. It takes airlines to reach the height of more than 100,000 revenue flights. But most of all, it takes you, the passenger. Because with you, the 787 has flown over 100,000 revenue flights and 20 million passengers. And we want to celebrate. That's why we're inviting you to join us on social media to share your thoughts, post your pictures, and tell us your stories. Because you helped make an airplane that has revolutionized flight.